Hello friends, so today's lecture we are discussing the another important antibiotic, that is erythromycin. In this the industrial biotechnology paper, in this the unit second. So we are discussing now the erythromycin. We are already discussed there are the different types of the antibiotics are available in these the markets. So what is antibiotics? Antibiotic, it is a chemical substance produced by the one organism. It inhibits the growth of another organism. It is a simple definition of antibiotic. This is the anti means the against, and this the biotic means the living, against the living organism. It is synthesizing the one organism, it inhibiting the growth of other organisms. Okay, in this the antibiotics, there are the different type of the action of this, the mechanism of this the antibiotics. So now we are discussing the erythromycin. So our before lecture we are already discussed the penicillin antibiotics. Okay, the action of these the antibiotics, there are the different, okay, there are the different site of the action in these the host organisms. म्हणजे काय आहे, अँटीबायोटिक जे असतात तर ते सर्व जे डिफरंट प्रकारचे जे अँटीबायोटिक्स आहेत तर त्याचा ॲक्शन these are the different, because the some antibiotics is act on the cell wall, some antibiotics act on the protein synthesis, some are replication inhibition, okay, some are the protein synthesis inhibition. Okay, these are the different types of the antibiotic. They carry the action of this, the mechanism are the different in there is the different host. The host specific antibiotics are also available in this the market. म्हणजे जे काही सम antibiotics आहेत ते स्पेसिफिक होस्ट मध्येच काय होणार, त्याला इनिबिशन फॉर्म करणार. सम बॅक्टेरियल antibiotic inhibit the bacterial regulations. Okay, some are the animal antibiotics, it inhibit the animal viruses. Some are the plant viruses, they are the inhibiting the plant viruses antibiotics. So these are the different types of the antibiotics that carry the different type of the mechanism of the action, and these are the host specific mechanism are the regulated in that of the organisms. Okay, we are already discussing the antibiotics are the, there are the three different types of the antibiotics are made in this the now world. Okay, this is the first antibiotic production, that is the natural. There are the producers by the microorganisms. Another is the semi-synthetics. In this the semi-synthetics, there are the some part of this the antibiotic are produced the, from the synthetically, and some part it is produced the naturally. Best example penicillin, the benzene penicillin, it is an example of the modification synthetic antibiotics. In this the antibiotics that is contain the benzene ring, it is an addition in this the penicillin. Because of the penicillin it contain the lactane ring. The speciality of this the penicillin, it is a lactane ring, and this attaching of this the 6 benzene membrane ring, so it forms the 6 benzene amino penicillic acid. It is a semi-synthetic antibiotics. Another is a synthetic antibiotic. Some antibiotics are synthetic, just for example sulfonamide. Okay, these are the synthetic antibiotics. It is produced in this the in vitro condition, means it is synthesizing in this the laboratory. Okay, so now they are discussing the erythromycin. ओके, जसं की आपण पेनिसिलिन पाहिली होती, काय की पेनिसिलिनमध्ये काय होती, एक लॅक्टोन रिंग होती, अँड दिस इज द रिंग, दिस इज अ फॉर देअर स्पेशालिटी ऑफ दिस द पेनिसिलिन टाईप ऑफ द अँटीबायोटिक. म्हणजे आपण जसं की ऑर्गॅनिझमचे फायलम ग्रुप वगैरे असतो, जसं की फायलम, जसं की झुलॉजीमध्ये किंवा बॉटनीमध्ये पाहिलं असेल फायलम पोरिफेरा, ओके, फायलम arthropoda. So this is the type of this the arthropoda. There are the different type of these the antibiotics. So same type of this the process are applied in the erythromycin. Okay, erythromycin, it contain the 4, 14, 16 or the 17 membrane lactone ring with 1,3 sugar of the glycosidically linked with the glycon. It is a speciality of the erythromycin type of the antibiotic, and this is the erythromycin, it is an antibiotic. It is a microcyclic lactone containing ring. Microcyclic lactane ring. The erythromycin, it is a group of the microcyclic lactane containing ring, and this the penicillin, it is a 5 membrane lactane ring containing antibiotic, and the erythromycin, it is a speciality, it is a microcyclic. तर ह्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे, इरिथ्रोमायसिन मध्ये मायक्रोसायक्लिक लॅक्टोन रिंग आहे. ओके, इट इज अ स्पेशालिटी ऑफ दिस द इरिथ्रोमायसिन. जसं की पेनिसिलिन, इट इज अ लॅक्टेन रिंग. ओके, सगळ्या पेनिसिलिनच्या जे टाईप्स होत्या तर त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, लॅक्टेन रिंग इट इज अ स्पेशालिटी. सो इरिथ्रोमायसिन किंवा आणखी जे ग्रुप्स असतील अँटीबायोटिकचे ते कशाच्या अंदर येतात, मायक्रोसायक्लिक. म्हणजे इरिथ्रोमायसिन इट इज अ अंडर कॅटेगरी ऑफ दिस द मायक्रोसायक्लिक. Okay, these are the under category of the microcyclic lactone containing ring. It is a speciality of this the erythromycin antibiotics. Okay, the macrolides group of the antibiotic, it is consist of the compound with large lactone ring. It contain the large lactone ring. These are the speciality of the macrocyclic antibiotics. आपण काय पाहतोय, मायक्रोसायक्लिक अँटीबायोटिक्स. दिस द मायक्रोसायक्लिक अँटीबायोटिक्स मध्ये कोणते येतात मग, इरिथ्रोमायसिन्स. सो इन आवर सिलेबस देर आर द गिविंग द मेन्शन ऑफ द इरिथ्रोमायसिन. तर आपल्या सिलेबस मध्ये काय मेन्शन केलेलं आहे, फक्त इरिथ्रोमायसिन अँटीबायोटिक आर द मेन्शन, अँड इज द इरिथ्रोमायसिक अँटीबायोटिक्स आर द अंडर कॅटेगरी ऑफ द मायक्रोसायक्लिक लॅक्टोन कंटेनिंग रिंग अँटीबायोटिक्स. हे लक्षात घ्या, इरिथ्रोमायसिन इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ मायक्रोसायक्लिक लॅक्टोन कंटेनिंग रिंग. ओके, जसं की पेनिसिलिन मध्ये पण काय होतं, लॅक्टोन रिंग होती. बट इन दिस द मायक्रोसायक्लिक, दिस इज अ सायक्लिक रिंग and is a lactone ring and it is a large lactone ring. Okay, the antibiotic it is a conveniently called macrolides. These groups includes, this is the macrocyclic type of the antibiotic. It is also called as a macrolides. It is also known as a macrolides. And the heterogeneous and these the groups include, आता मायक्रोलिड्स मधले जे ग्रुप्स फॉर्म झालेले आहेत ते कसे आहेत, पॉलिन्स, मायक्रो टेट्रालाइट्स and heterogeneous groups of typical macrolides. These are the under group, that is pollines, micro tetralites and heterogeneous group of typical macrolides. Heterogeneous macrolides. काय पाहतोय आपण, मायक्रोसायक्लिक लॅक्टेन कंटेनिंग रिंग अँटीबायोटिक्स पाहतोय. अँड इन अवर द सिलेबस इन द इंडस्ट्रियल बायोटेक्नॉलॉजी युनिट सेकंड, दिस इज द सेकंड अँटीबायोटिक प्रोडक्शन, that is erythromycin. And the erythromycin it is under category of macrocyclic containing ring antibiotics. The macrocyclic antibiotic it is also known as a macrolides, and these the macrolides are further grouped into the pollines. Okay, pollines. त्यानंतर काय आहे, मायक्रो टेट्रोलाइट्स. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर आहे heterogeneous macrolides. These are the subgroup into the three groups, that is the pollines, microtetralites, heterogeneous macrolides. Okay, the what is the macrolides? So the macrolides are the hydrophobic, usually basic compound. It is a hydrophilic in nature. It is hydrophobic, hydrophobic in nature. It is a hydrophobic in nature. The erythromycin, the same characteristics are applied on erythromycin because it is a microcyclic antibiotics, and these are the hydrophobic in nature, means it is a repel of water. Okay, it consists of 14, 12, 14, 16, 17 membrane lactone ring. याच्यात काय असतो, 12, 14, 16 or 17 membrane lactone ring. याच्यामध्ये काय आहे, स्पेशालिटी ऑफ दिस इरिथ्रोमायसिन microcyclic antibiotics. It contain the 12, 14, 16 or 17 membrane lactone ring. It fused with 1 to 3 sugar glycosidically linked with a glycon. A glycon is a lactone ring, and with each other. त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतात, हे याच्यापैकी एखादा रिंग मेम्ब्रेन मॉलिक्यूल एखाद्या अँटीबायोटिक्स मध्ये प्रेझेंट असणार अँड इट इज लिंक टू द 1,3 शुगर 1,3 शुगर ग्लायकोसाइडिकली लिंक्ड. 1,3 जे शुगर असणार ते ग्लायकोसाइडिकली लिंक कशाला असणार, अग्लेकॉन. अग्लेकॉन मीन्स लॅक्टोन रिंग. ओके. and with each other. आपण काय पाहतोय, मायक्रोसायक्लिक अँटीबायोटिक्स पाहतोय आणि इरिथ्रोमायसिन इट इज अ टाइप्स ऑफ मायक्रोसायक्लिक अँटीबायोटिक्स. ओके. तर मायक्रोसायक्लिक अँटीबायोटिक्स स्पेशालिटी काय आहे, इट कंटेन द 12 or 14 or 16 or 17 membrane lactone ring and it is fused with 1,3 sugar glycosidical linkage with large aglycone ring, and aglycone ring is the lactone rings to the each other. It is a mechanism and this is the it is a specialty structure of this the macrocyclic antibiotics. हे काय होतं, मायक्रोसायक्लिक टाइप ऑफ द अँटीबायोटिकचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं आहे हे होतं, आपण हे पाहिलं. आता त्याच्यानंतर द शुगर आर अमायनो शुगर्स और द 6-deoxyhexones इट इज ऑल्सो present in the hetero type of the macrocyclic antibiotics. We are already discussed the macrocyclic antibiotics are grouped into the 3 types, that is the pollines, microtetraloids and the heterogeneous atypical macrolides. Atypical macrolides it contain the amino sugar or the 6-deoxyhexose types of the group are attached. The structure of the erythromycins. ओके. आतापर्यंत आपण जे पाहिलं मायक्रोसायक्लिक अँटीबायोटिक्स पाहिलं आणि इरिथ्रोमायसिन इट इज ऑल्सो टाइप ऑफ द मायक्रोसायक्लिक अँटीबायोटिक्स. सो व्हॉट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस द इरिथ्रोमायसिन. सो हियर वी आर डिस्कसिंग द इरिथ्रोमायसिन structure. It's contain the 14 membrane lactone ring. 14 membrane lactone ring. We are already discussed. Okay, we are already discussed the microcyclic antibiotics contain the different type of the membrane. So in this the membrane, the 40 membrane ring of this the present in the erythromycin antibiotics. Okay, and it 14 membrane macrolides and the 16 membrane macrolides leucomycin and the tylosin are illustrated. The 16 membrane चे examples कोणते आहेत मायक्रोसायक्लिक अँटीबायोटिक चे, तर ल्युसोमायसिन and the tylosin. Here we are not discussing in detail the other type of the macrocyclic antibiotics because we are only focused on the erythromycin macrocyclic antibiotics, because in this your syllabus there are mentioned only the penicillin and the erythromycin antibiotics. So here we are discussing only the erythromycin antibiotics. So it contain the 60 membrane lactone ring, 14 membrane lactone ring. तर याच्यामध्ये काय आहे, 14 membrane lactone ring आहे कशामध्ये, इरिथ्रोमायसिन. इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ अ मायक्रोसायक्लिक अँटीबायोटिक. मी जे म्हणत आहे वारंवार मायक्रोसायक्लिक अँटीबायोटिक्स बिकॉज देर आर द डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ द antibiotic, they are grouped into the different, because some antibiotics contain the penicillin, it is a lactone ring, some are the other tetracyclic, okay, chloramphenicol, it is a speciality. त्यांच्या स्पेशालिटी नुसार त्यांचं काय आहे विलगीकरण केलेलं आहे. त्याच्यामुळे मी वारंवार काय म्हणत आहे की हे जे इरिथ्रोमायसिन अँटीबायोटिक जे आहे ते कोणती आहे, मायक्रोसायक्लिक टाइप ऑफ द अँटीबायोटिक. इट इज अ इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट बिफोर टू स्टडी द इरिथ्रोमायसिन अँटीबायोटिक्स. सो वी आर नो दॅट. सो व्हॉट इज अ इरिथ्रोमायसिन, इट इज अ मायक्रोसायक्लिक type containing antibiotics. Okay, here we are discussing the structure. So next point, the erythromycin biosynthesis is action of this the erythromycin. Mechanism of action. What is the mechanism of the action of this the erythromycins? So penicillin, it is inhibition of the cell wall synthesis. The same type the erythromycin, it is act on a 30S subunit of ribosome. we are know about the transcription process. Okay, in this the transcription, after there the translation process occur. What is the central dogma of protein synthesis? That is a replication, then to the transcription, then to the translation. The translation process, there are we are know about in this the mechanism of this the translation. In this the ribosome, it is important for their protein synthesis, because the mRNA contain the different types of the codon. Okay, these the anticodon are the produced by the ribosomes, and these the ribosome is contain the anticodon, and it is anticodon, it is a complementary to the codon on the mRNA. In this the type the 30th subunit of this the ribosome, it is a main of the mechanism of this the action of this the erythromycin. The erythromycin, it is a stick on this the 30th subunit of the ribosome. The result is that the elongation process of the translation, it is inhibited. It means the protein synthesis is blocked, and this the host cell, it is a disruption or the non-functional are form. Okay, or diet. ओके, तर याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, जर प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस झालं नाहीये तर आपली बॉडी मेकॅनिझम करेल का? तर these are the erythromycin, it is act on the 30th subunit, it is result that the protein synthesis are the halted. In this the halted, there are the no protein are synthesized in this the cell, so result is the cell is disrupt or die. It is a mechanism of this the action of this the erythromycin. तुम्ही असं पण लिहू शकता, इट इज अ प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस इनिबिशन. डिटेल मेकॅनिझम लिहायची गरज नाहीये, बट युअर अंडरस्टँडिंग आय विल डिस्कसिंग द डिटेल मेकॅनिझम. इट इज फक्त एवढी ओळ पण लिहिली तरी चालते, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस इनिबिट. Protein synthesis inhibit, it is a mechanism of the action of the erythromycin. Okay, production method. Next point, production method. It is an important point to the industrial biotechnology paper. तर आपला फोकस कशावर आहे? प्रोडक्शन मेथड. बिकॉज ऑफ द इन युअर पॉइंट दे आर क्लेरिफाइज दॅट द production method. So in this the production methods we are discussed. The antibiotic are produced in a aerobic or submerged fermentation. Aerobic means they are using the strain for the erythromycin production. It is are the aerobic in nature. Okay, there are submerged fermentation are the carry out for the production of erythromycins. We are know that there are the surface fermentation and the submerged fermentation process. So in this the erythromycin production, they are using the submerged process of this the fermentation. Okay, yield in large scale the industrial process are around the 20 gram per liter. तर याची जे yield आहे तर ती कशी आहे, 20 gram per liter. in this the yield per liter. Okay, a typical medium for the erythromycin containing the glucose. तर याच्यासाठी मीडिया कोणता लागतो for the production of erythromycin? Which are the media are using for the erythromycin production? So it require the glucose. It require the soya meal. Glucose, it is acts as a carbohydrate sources, it containing the carbon. Okay, soya meal, sodium chloride, calcium carbonate, water. Okay, these are the media are using for the erythromycin production. We are know about that the any type of the media we are designing the important point, it is that it require the carbon sources, it require the nitrogen sources, it require the phosphorus, it require the minerals, it require the water. Okay, these are the essential nutrients for their growth and the production of this the organism. So in this the erythromycin production, the media it contain the glucose, soya meal, NaCl, calcium carbonate, water. The water it is important. Then to the glucose, it is a carbon containing carbohydrate sources. Then to the soya meal, NaCl, calcium carbonate, it is a mineral sources, phosphorus sources and the nitrogen sources. We are already discussed, there are the sources are the important for their various mechanisms. So you are seeing in a before lectures what is this the nitrogen sources, what is this the phosphorus sources role for their in this the cells. Okay, So here we are discussing the media for the erythromycin production. The next is the pH. We are already know that the pH temperature it is must be required for the production of this the erythromycin. Okay, so it require the pH. It require the pH 7.0. It require the neutral pH for their production, and it is required the temperature that is 25 to the 38 degree Celsius. Temperature किती लागतो मग याला 25 to the 30 degree Celsius temperature must be required for the erythromycin production. Then the period, how much time of the period are required for the production of the erythromycin? It required the 3 to 7 days. 3 to 7 days are required for their production of erythromycin antibiotics. Okay. So here is a production method. So next point, product recovery, downstream processing. So every fermentation completed, so all these the product required for their downstream process for isolation. Okay. Product recovery. Product recovery. So we are already discussed the penicillin production recovery. Okay, so centrifuge it is must be required for the rupturing the cells or releasing of the cell debris. Okay, तर आपण centrifuge कशामुळे करतो, त्याच्यामधलं जे सेल्स डेब्रीज आहे त्याच्यातलं जे आपलं इनसोल्युबल सोल्युबल मटेरियल्स आहे ते सेपरेशन करण्यासाठी आपण काय करतो, सेंट्रिफ्युगेशन प्रोसेस अप्लाय करतो. Then to the before this centrifugation cell disruption process are must be required. Because of this the physical and the chemical method we are already discussed. Okay, some याच्यामध्ये काय असतात इनसाइड ऑफ दिस द सेल जसं की प्रोडक्ट असतो, तर त्यावेळेस आपल्याला काय करावं लागतात, फिजिकल मेथड्स किंवा केमिकल मेथड्स अप्लाय करावं लागतात फॉर देअर सेल डिस्ट्रप्शन. So it is same process are applying the cell disruption for the erythromycin, because the erythromycin are the synthesized inside of the cell. The cell disruption any method are we are choosing, physical method or the chemical method. After this the process, the centrifugation process are applied for removing of the cell debris, insoluble materials and our the important product that is the erythromycin. After this the centrifugation precipitation process is carried on. त्याच्यानंतर हे जे सेल डेब्रीज वगैरे जे इन्सॉल्युबल मटेरियल्स आपण ते रिमूव्ह करणार, अँड दीज आर द मेन इम्पॉर्टंट प्रोडक्ट इज द erythromycin antibiotics. So this time we are adding the solvent interaction, liquid extraction. These are the process are applying for the precipitation of the erythromycin in that of the media. Okay, मग आपण जे precipitation आल्याच्यानंतर ते काढणार, त्याच्यानंतर आपण त्याला different types of the purification techniques we are apply. That is a charcoal, carbon. Okay, the chromatography techniques are also applied for the various purification purposes. Other gel exclusion methods are also applied. Okay, we are choosing these the methods. It is depends upon the your choice and your equipment level in this the industrial level. Okay, then to the crystallization, because in this the pure form of this the erythromycin, it contains some type of the moisture. So removing of the moisture, we are using the various types of the dryer, vacuum dryer, hot air. Okay, these are the apply for the crystallization purposes. After the crystallization, so next process is the manufacturing, and this the manufacturing. After this the marketing of that of the product. It is a product recovery process of the erythromycins. Okay, so here we are completed the erythromycin antibiotic production. Okay, so important today's point is that the erythromycin, it is a microcyclic lactate ring containing antibiotics, and it contains the large lactone ring, and it is a 14 membrane lactone ring. Okay, here is the important point related to the erythromycin. So next lecture we are discussing the next point in this the unit second. Okay, thank you for watching this video.